Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell your phone on Bikroy. First, you need to create an account or log into the platform. Once logged in, locate and click on the Post Your Ad button, usually found prominently on the home page. From there, navigate to the categories and select mobile phones to ensure your listing reaches the right audience. This initial step is crucial for a smooth selling experience. Crafting an effective listing is key to attracting buyers. Start with a clear title, including the brand and model, like Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Detail specifications such as 8 GB of RAM or 256 GB of storage. Upload at least 3 to 5 high-quality photos from different angles, showcasing the phone's condition. Finally, set a realistic and competitive price to encourage quick interest. Engaging with potential buyers effectively can lead to a successful sale. Aim to respond to inquiries within a few hours, providing honest information about your phone's condition, including any minor scratches. When negotiating, be polite and open to reasonable offers, aiming for a price that satisfies both parties. For safety, always arrange to meet in a public place, like a busy cafe or shopping mall, during daylight hours. Before finalizing the sale, ensure a secure transaction. Always verify the payment method, whether it's cash or a digital transfer, before handing over your device. Crucially, perform a factory reset to completely erase all your personal data and settings. Remember to include any original accessories, such as the charger or headphones, and confirm the sale on Bikroy to remove your listing and complete the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.